In this video, I will show you 5 realistic side hustles that you can do remotely. If there is one thing you should do this year, it's to stop relying on just one income stream. Putting all eggs in one basket is a gamble. Just look at the situation with efficiency cuts that Elon Musk started in the US. Whether you agree with him or not, the situation has just shown that even so-called secure government positions are not always safe. So if there is one move you can make this year, let it be starting a side hustle. Ideally, one that you can do from anywhere on your own schedule. But you need to find something that fits into these 3 categories: what you actually enjoy doing, what you are naturally good at, and what people are willing to pay for. The sweet spot is where these 3 things overlap. That's where you can build something profitable and sustainable. I personally make over $10,000 a month with side hustle number 5, so watch the full video and you won't miss any of my own secrets. The first side hustle is all about making money with Amazon Influencer program. And don't confuse by the word influencer, because you don't need to be TikTok famous or have 1 million followers. Let me show you exactly how it works. You just go to Google and search for Amazon Influencer. Click the top link and that's where you sign up. Again, you don't need to be a traditional influencer to get started. If you've ever bought something from Amazon, and who hasn't, right? You can start reviewing those products that you already have at home and get paid when someone buys after watching your video. Just to give you an idea of potential earnings, I found a YouTuber who shares his Amazon influencers income. In just about 5 months, he has gone from 0 to about $4,000 per month. If you're interested in checking his video, I will link it in the description below. And here is how it works in real life. Say you're looking at an office chair on Amazon. You will see product images, and if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will also find several video reviews. Most of these videos are from regular people like you and I who made a quick review with just their phone. Nothing fancy. Actually, you don't want it to look like a polished ad. Your review should be and it should feel authentic. Most reviews don't even show the person that much. Like in this video, we can just see here the product itself and the lady's hands, and we hear her voice, and that's it.
Feels great. I think as far as issues go, that is so minor.
She can make these reviews without showing her face on camera. If someone watches your video and decides to buy, Amazon gives you a cut of the sale. You don't have to chase anyone or be very salesy. No cold DMs. Just create a short video talking about your experience with the product and post it. What I love about this hustle is the passive income potential. Once your video is up, it keeps working for you. People watch, buy, and you earn, even while you sleep. If you're looking for a flexible, beginner-friendly side hustle this year, the Amazon influencer route is definitely worth a shot. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you want a full tutorial where I will walk you through filming and uploading and sample review. Like this video if you learned something new so far, hit subscribe for more realistic income ideas. Okay, that was side hustle number 1, but what if you are more creative and you love the idea of selling products without inventory? Let's talk about a print-on-demand side hustle that uses AI to do the design work for you. It is all about launching your own e-commerce business with print-on-demand, and you will use AI-generated images for designs. With tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or FreePic, you can create unique artwork and apply it to various products like t-shirts, mugs, and wall art. To get a sense of how big this opportunity is, let's take a look at an Etsy listing. I use now Allura. It's an Etsy research tool that you can install in your browser, and I'll drop a link to it in the description below. Check out this store selling framed wall art based in Texas. They're approaching 2 million in revenue, and they have been averaging over $53,000 per month in the past year. Or take a look at this Etsy store that pulled in over $1.7 million in revenue, making more than $31,000 per month. That's life-changing income, all from the comfort of their home. If you use FreePic, you can upscale your images up to 4K in the same tool. If you generated images elsewhere, you could use another site called Crea to upscale and enhance the resolution of your design to ensure that they look crisp and professional when they're printed. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually print these designs onto the products? And what about shipping? The best part of this business model is that you don't have to handle any of that yourself. Your job is simply to create designs that people love. The rest is taken care of for you. Print on demand means that you can sell custom products without keeping any inventory. Plus, it doesn't matter where you live. Whether you're in Australia, India, or anywhere else, your products will be produced and shipped from locations closest to your customers worldwide. I personally use Gelato for my print-on-demand business because it goes beyond just being another print-on-demand provider. With local production in 32 countries, it offers faster delivery, lower shipping cost, and a reduced carbon footprint. Plus, their free plan makes it incredibly easy to get started. It also seamlessly integrates with Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, and even TikTok Shop, which allows you to sell across multiple platforms easily. Remember, with print on demand, you will only pay once the item is purchased in your store. Your customer always pays you more than you paid to Gelato, so you keep the difference. Depending on your niche and the type of products that you sell, your profit margin can be between 20 and 50%. You can offer a wide range of products including t-shirts, mugs, posters, tote bags, phone cases, calendars, and so on. Gelato gets 4.7 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot, so it's not just my great experience, but a lot of people also like this platform. If you want to trust the quality of their products before selling, use my link in the description below. It's gelato.com/Anastasia to get 50% off your first order, so you can see exactly what your customers will receive. Let's jump into the next one, and this one's growing like wildfire. Side hustle number 3 is all about TikTok Shop, and it's one of the fastest growing affiliate programs out there right now. So here is how it works. Just like the Amazon influencer program that I talked about, you can create short videos reviewing or showcasing products. But this time you're doing it right inside TikTok. And the magic is that the products are linked directly in your videos. So you can make a quick 30-second video on your favorite kitchen gadget, skincare tool, or home accessory. TikTok allows you to attach an affiliate link right into the video, so when someone watches and clicks to buy, you earn a commission. Now here's where it gets even better. You don't need to send people off platform to Amazon or another site. TikTok handles everything inside their app. It's called TikTok Shop. And if you haven't explored it yet, maybe now is the time. And you know what else you didn't expect? Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, where you usually have to buy the product yourself first, TikTok Shop actually allows you to request free products from sellers in exchange for creating a video. Yep, even if you're just starting out and you don't have a huge following. That means you get products for free, you make content around them, and if someone buys through your video, you will get paid a commission. Pretty sweet deal, right? If you're already spending time on TikTok anyway, this could be a great way to turn that screen time into some extra income. Now let's talk about the next realistic side hustle that you can start this year. And this one is seriously underrated. It's selling digital downloads. If you've never heard of digital downloads before, don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. These are just some files that you create on your computer, anything from templates, planners, and spreadsheets to journals, ebooks, and even some online courses. And once you've made them, you can sell it over and over again with zero shipping, zero inventory, and almost 100% profit. So what can you sell? Let me give you a few examples. Head over to Etsy and search for something like wedding invitation. You will see both physical products and instant downloads templates, so choose just the downloads. And now I found this one, for example, that sells around $10 and has thousands of reviews. I can even check the stats for it on Allura Chrome extension, and it shows just this listing earned this Etsy seller almost $16,000. And almost all of it is the seller's profit. And it's not just for wedding invitations. You can make budgeting spreadsheets in Google Sheets or maybe in Excel. You can make meal plans and cookbooks, daily planners, to-do lists and journals, printable art or motivational quotes, or even simple checklists and guides based on your own expertise. Seriously, if you know how to use Canva, Google Sheets, or even Word, you can create something valuable that solves a problem or saves people time. Now, who can do this? Well, honestly, I've met bloggers who published thousands of articles online on a certain topic, and they still didn't think that they were ready to create a digital product. But the truth is, you already have everything that you need. Start with what you know. For me, I love Pinterest marketing and blogging, so I made PDF checklists, guides, and online courses around these topics, and they sell really well. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to be helpful. I can recommend you some tools that you can use to create and sell your digital products. Use Canva to create planners, journals, or editable templates. Just search for planner or journal on Etsy to get inspiration, but not to copy, just to see what's trending. If you're into spreadsheets, then build something helpful in Google Sheets, like a budget tracker, and sell it as a template. Then I can recommend you a couple of platforms where you can sell your products. Etsy is great for planners, journals, and printables. Gumroad is perfect for guides, ebooks, digital tools. Then Thrivecart is amazing to sell digital courses and bundles. And here's why I love this business model. You create the product once and then you can sell it forever. No inventory, no customer service, no headaches, super high margins close to 100%. Most products cost you nothing to deliver. So if you want to learn how to start selling digital products, I have a very detailed tutorial about this. I will link it up there and also in the description below. Now, the next side hustle is something that I am really passionate about. It's creating educational YouTube channels. Kind of like this channel, but it can be, of course, in a completely different niche. And before you say that YouTube is not for you, hear me out. Based on my 7 years of experience here and on other social media, YouTube is the highest paying platform out there. I'm consistently earning over $10,000 a month with this channel between Google AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling my own digital products. I will talk more about these different monetization methods a little bit later, so don't worry if you're not familiar with some of these income streams. And by the way, you don't need fancy gear, a big personality, or viral dance moves. What you do need is a focused topic and the willingness to teach something that you know. And why does this work so well? When you create educational videos, think of something like how-to tutorials, guides, and explainers. You tap into what advertisers love the most. These videos attract higher ad rates because brands know that viewers are actively searching for solutions. So compare that to some random entertainment or vlogs, and the difference in ad revenue is massive, probably at least 2 to 3 times higher. Educational content equals more money per view. So you need to pick a niche that solves a problem. And this isn't about trying to go viral with general lifestyle content. Instead, if you go deep into one niche, you can grow your audience from YouTube even faster. Think along the lines of topics like how to start a homestead or apartment makeover tutorials, or if you're into tech, it could be something like Excel, Google Sheets hacks. These kinds of topics build trust, authority, and a loyal audience, and they're perfect for consistent content. Another thing that many people don't realize when they're watching big YouTubers is that they did not start with the polished video quality and fancy editing style that you see on their channels when they've grown bigger. You can start right where you are. Record it on your phone, sit in front of a window for good light, and share what you know. You don't have to be perfect. People care more about value than how polished your videos are. And as I promised, I will explain some of monetization methods for YouTube in more detail, so Here are the 4 ways that I use to make money from this YouTube channel, but you probably could find even more ways. So the first one is ad revenue with AdSense. Once your channel is monetized, you will start earning every time when someone watches one of your videos. With educational content, those payouts can really add up. Now, sponsorships. As your audience grows, brands in your niche will start reaching out to you. You will be able to charge a flat fee to feature their product or service in your video. Even a small channel can land sponsors if the channel delivers value. Brands see this value and they're ready to pay for access to your highly targeted audience. Another way is affiliate marketing. You can tie in product reviews naturally in your videos. If you're teaching about gardening, you can review your favorite tools. If your channel is about budgeting, you can walk through your favorite apps or planners. And you can use affiliate links in your description below the videos. You can link to Amazon, TikTok Shop, wherever you like, and you will earn a commission from every sale. You can also sell your own digital products. Yes, I talked about them earlier in this video, and when you have an educational channel, it makes it super easy to naturally mention your digital products that are related to the same topic that you teach on the channel. If you enjoy teaching, if you've got knowledge in a specific area, even if it feels small or very niched, there is an audience for you. YouTube isn't just about being famous, it's about being helpful. And helpful creators are the ones making bank. Drop your YouTube niche idea in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're thinking about creating. And in case you liked print-on-demand side hustle, you will need to know where to sell your products, right? So I have a video with the best 7 sites that you can use to sell your print-on-demand and get free traffic there. I will link that video up there, and I'll see you in the next one.